Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to update your Kia Optima software. First, you will need to prepare your vehicle and gather the necessary tools. Make sure your car's battery is fully charged or the engine is running to prevent power loss during the update. You will also need a USB drive with at least 64 gigabytes of free space, formatted to XFAT, to download the update files. This preparation ensures a smooth and successful process. Next, you'll download the software update files. Go to the official Kia Navigation Update website on your computer. Carefully select your Kia Optima model and the correct year to ensure compatibility. Once selected, download the latest software update files directly onto your USB drive. This step is crucial for getting the correct and most recent version for your vehicle's system. Now it's time to install the update in your Kia Optima. Insert the USB drive containing the update files into your vehicle's designated USB port. On your infotainment screen, navigate to the System Update menu. You will then see on-screen prompts guiding you through the installation. The process typically takes about 30 to 60 minutes, so please be patient and do not turn off the engine. After the installation is complete, allow the system to restart as needed. It might restart several times, which is normal. Once everything is back up, navigate to your vehicle's system information menu on the infotainment screen. Here, you can verify that the new software version has been successfully installed. Enjoy your updated Kia Optima with the latest features and improvements.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.